This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 78 of Building Robocop, the Cyborg. In this issue, we're, I think, finishing off the left arm and indeed starting on a shoulder joint. After continuing looking at the animated history of Robocop, the Alpha Division, and Dark, Bitter Adversaries. That's got the Ed in it. The look of Ed 209 from the original film with a Japanese mech. Rexor. Okay, cool. There we go. More cyborg type things in there. Not quite so cyborgy as Robocop, but still good stuff. Yes, so we're finishing off the left elbow with the covers over the screws. I don't know why we haven't done them already, but there we go. Got those to do. One on each side. Basically finishing the arm, and then we're starting the joint. I don't know how that's going to attach yet. Well, we haven't really got the entire top section yet, have we? So, yeah, not sure about that yet. But there we go. That's what we're going to do today. Looking at robots with medical applications still. Let's still have to give them a face, because otherwise people will get confused. Or robotic plush toys. Emotional therapy. Yeah, okay. There we go. Diagnostic medicine. Yeah. Pulse rate trackers and things. I've even got a smart ring myself. It helps me with sleep patterns and things like that. All good stuff. Wearable tech. Yeah, there we go. So that's that. Clears out the way. Let's get the last one of today's delivery done. Right. So this is what we've got. From last time, obviously, we need the arm. We've got some more sticky pads. Screws and stuff for that. We don't need that quite yet. We've got these two bits to attach. So we just need one of the sticky pads from here on the inside of that. Like that. I might as well do the other one while I've got the tweezers out. Keep those for later. Always good to have spares of stuff. That one on there. Now these do both seem to be the same. If they're different, I can't see any differences, so I can't tell which one's meant to be which anyway. Let's get the paper bit off of there. And then get that on there. We've got to line up the two screw pieces with the two screw pieces. So about there, but twisted around just a little bit more. There you go. Just like that. And then that should pop over the screw pretty much like that. And the same on the inside. Once again, get rid of the paper. Get that in the right sort of place and then rotate it around till it gets to the right layout. And then push that over there as well. So there we go. We now have our joint done, shoulder all done. Looking good. That's that then. This we're not doing anything with, but that's going to be sort of the interior armor piece sort of there, isn't it? But we need to make up our joint. So we've got the big metal bracket, which has the big contact lens bit on it, then the little one on there, then the ball joint, and then that goes over the top of all of it. And we need 3 screws to hold that together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got it right. 3 came out. Looking good. So get that lined up again with the holes. They look to be equidistant, but we'll find out when I get that one in. If I get that one in. And then we'll see if the other 2 line up as well. I didn't get the first one in. Let's try a different one. That feels like that's screwing in somewhere, but it's not. to be there. Oh. That's interesting. Let me just double check everything. It's got to be that way around. It's got to be that way around, and that's got to be like that. So it is like that. And they are equidistant. But there is a pin there, which has got to go into that third hole there. So I've got to get that the right way round. That's why it wasn't going quite down fully. There we go. Let's try that again then. That's better. There we go. And the third one. Over there as well. Now, I don't know how tight this has got to be, because you can't tell until you've got something more than that attached to it. So I'm going to get all these in pretty tight. I might have dropped a screw out of that. I can't quite tell. Definitely a screw there. Definitely a screw there. And it feels like there isn't a screw in there. But I've got the spare. I don't know where the other one would have gone. But we'll figure it out. Yep. So let me get all of these tightened up, and that will be done. And then we can continue on next time when the next delivery arrives. I'll get another one screwed sorted out on that. I'll get my magnifier on it and see if there is in fact a screw in there or not. I think there is actually. Don't know. Can you see that? It's going to be too late if you tell me that there is anyway. So that will be that on there. And then we'll figure out how that's going to attach to anywhere else. We've got, I don't know, nothing's obviously attached to there. I'm assuming that's probably going to go on that side, and that's going to attach to the middle. But I don't know. We'll figure it out down the line. But for now, that is another month done, another delivery completed. So thank you very much for joining me. Join me for more part works between now and the next time this comes back in. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.